Hello, beautiful angels. How are you guys? How's your day going on so far? So, today we're going to do the unboxing of this beauty, and this is CauseBox for spring 2021. And we're going to do the unboxing and reveal all the goodies that we got. And also, CauseBox is a seasonal subscription box, and each box would include around 6 to 8 products that may include like jewelry, home decor, accessories, apparel, skincare, and whatnot. And also each item is packaged from a socially conscious brand, and CauseBox partners with different charities to help them raise funds and expand their base and also tell their stories. And you can sign up for customizable annual membership at $49.95 per box and opt for quarterly subscription at $54.95 per box. This is really a good box, so give it a shot if you're into like seasonal subscription boxes. Like, it's more or less like a dupe for FabFitFun, but these are like ethical products that we would receive. So let's see what we got. So here is how it looks. Here is the inside. Let me open this up. I'm going to put this aside. So here is the postcard that I got. That's really pretty. A lady, if you could see, here is the face and with a bunch of flowers. That's really cute. Here is the booklet that we got around this time. So first item that I received is this, and this is the feed tote that I received, and this is like more like a canvas kind of material, and this is how it looks inside. And the straps looks more like a leather. I'm assuming this is like vegan leather, and this is how it looks inside. So it's like really thick kind of cloth, not like a flimsy kind of material. And there is like one secret pocket with a zipper, and the hardware is gold. So here is the hardware, and there is also these kind of hooks to wear it like a crossbody. And this is the feed tote I received, and this would actually provide like 3 meals, which is like really amazing. It's like, wow, it's like we're shopping but for a good cause. So let's see about this tote. And this is a feed project canvas market tote and retails for $108. Wow, this alone is more than what I paid for. And about this, hunger is a daily reality for 795 million people around the world. With this tote, you are part of the solution by helping to provide school meals to kids in need. Wow. Feed creates good products that help feed children around the world. And to date, Feed has given over 100 million meals throughout their non-profit partners. Through this partnership, we donated around 900,000 meals. Wow, that's amazing. I really love this bag, and moreover, I like the cause, the story behind this bag. I really love this one. Next up, I think, okay, so this is the one that I got. The Nimble Champ Light, and made from recycled plastic, and it's a compact portable charger. And this is how it looks. And I think the one that I got is in mint, made with recyclable plastic. This is how it looks. And let's say about this beauty, it's a Nimble Champ Light portable charger, retails for $49.95. Power on the go. This portable charger will give you 2 full phone charges fast, made from bioplastics and recycled aluminum. That's amazing. And this was our second product. And let's see about the number 3. And this is the This Works Stress Check Sleep Spray, and this retail for $25. Put your stress and anxiety to bed. Made with 100% natural essential oils. Spritz your pillow with this sleep spray and enjoy this naturally calming and relaxing effects. And this is cruelty free and vegan. Let me see like how it smells. Yeah, this is kind of calming. It has like that lavender smell, which is amazing. I have decided that I want to meditate right before my bed, at least for 10 minutes. I want to implement and see just to reduce my anxiety and stress. I'm planning to use this spray before I start doing my meditation, and I'll let you guys know how that went. All right, let's see what we have next. The next up, we have this beauty, and this is the glass ladder and co Catherine tech organize a roller, and this one retails for $35. Wow, that's such a big name, and I thought it's going to be very expensive than that for some reason, for such a big name. All right, and let's see about this beauty. So this is how it looks. Wow, look at this, guys. Aesthetics, I love it. Like, how cool is that? Like, I think this is where your phone would go or anything, and here is where like you have slots to organize your pens and also the AirPods. So here is the pocket for the AirPods, and here is where your charger can go and all of that. So this is what the tech organizer is, and really cool. So this is like really big and looks really nice in person, and even this has got like that gold details to the end. Wow, I love it. And let's see about that beauty. And keep your essentials in place with this innovative tech roll, and made with Farm Sanctuary approved vegan leather, female owned and operated. Women empowerment, I love it. All right, let's see what we have next. Number 5, I guess. Yeah, we are off to number 5. And number 5 is this guy right here, and this is 3 ship slip treatment kit, and this one also retails for $30. Your lips deserve some love. This duo delivers with a yummy vanilla exfoliator to scrub away dull skin, and buttercream mask that hydrates and rejuvenates. And this is made 100% natural ingredients, committed to affordability and accessibility. And these are how it looks. This is the duo that we are talking about, and these are like glass kind of bottles. Ah, it smells so good. What is this? This is buttercream hydrating lip mask. This is the mask that we are looking, and this is 3 ships lip exfoliator, and this is in the flavor vanilla. This is how it looks. I smell like some kind of sweet, like pretzels, like that sweet glaze. That's what I smell. All right, next up we have this beauty, and this is what we got, and this is at the New York Power Couple Nail Care Duo. This one retails for $36. This custom for CauseBox Dynamic Duo will strengthen dry, brittle nails and keep your cuticles in tip-top shape and free from the top 12 toxic chemicals most often used in nail polish products. All right, let's see how they look. So this is how they look. Cute. And smells good. I don't know what it's made with, but it kind of smells good. And this is what? This is age defining nail treatment essentials, and the second bottle is age defining nail treatment essence. They have like 2 of them, but like of same name. So 2 of these, and these are nail care duo. These are all the products that we received in the CauseBox. So well, that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you had fun, and if you did, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Love you guys so much. Be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.